So now let's look at the schematic diagram. The only things we need to build this project are an Arduino, an LCD and a push button. That's it, we have our project working. The link for the schematic is provided in the description. So now let's have a quick look at the code. The other day I was playing this game in the Chrome browser and then I thought this game is really awesome and interesting. Why don't I create it on an Arduino using an LCD? So that's exactly what I did. And now the first thing we do is we include the liquid crystal library and then we define a few constants which will be really useful to us later. Then we create an object from the liquid crystal library class and then we make a new method, initialize graphics, and then in that we have a byte array in which all our images for the dinosaur and cacti are stored. Then we create the characters using our byte array, and then we have this method, button push method, and this method will be called when the interrupt is true, and it's called when the interrupt has been made and when the button has been pressed. So in the setup method we start the serial communication and then we set a few things to high, low, medium, and then we attach an interrupt on interrupt 0, which is pin 2, and we make it, and then we say that we have to do button push, which is this function when it's falling, that reads when it's from high to low. Then we call the initialize graphics function and then we begin the LCD as a 16 times 2 LCD. Next, in the loop method we keep checking if it's crashed or not, and if it's not crashed it just advances everything, and at the end we have a delay. Hope you liked it a lot. Kindly build the game and enjoy. Bye.